Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to change to the white mode and light mode in Enscape. First, Architecture Maquette. Architecture Maquette is a white architecture model with outlines. Designers use white models to discuss the shape or form of space. Step 1. Open Visual Settings. Step 2. Change the mode to white. Adjust outlines. Second, light mode. The designer also uses light mode to show lighting intensity. You can see where hot spots are and where the areas need more or less lighting. Step 1. Open Visual Settings. Step 2. Change the mode to light view. Step 3. You may uncheck automatic scale for manual setting. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to change to architecture and light mode in Enscape. Thank you.